If you spot a 47-sized foot in the wild within your line of sight, you'd better be careful. The cassowary, also known as the murder bird, an ancient creature resembling an ostrich but smaller in size. Its evolutionary history dates back to the age of dinosaurs. Although classified as a bird, its wings have completely degenerated, but their legs are incredibly powerful. Their three-toed feet not only aid in running, but also feature razor-sharp claws. Cassowaries are highly territorial and extremely aggressive. When threatened, they will raise their crest and attack proactively. The cassowary's explosive power is astonishing. Experiments have shown that a cassowary can kick through 5 mm thick steel plates at full force and shows no fear of humans. There have been numerous cases of fatal attacks on humans. This is why the cassowary bears the title of murder bird.